Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To perfectly cook a turkey, the general guideline is 15 to 20 minutes per pound at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius, in a regular oven. For a turkey without stuffing, aim for 15 minutes per pound, while a stuffed turkey may require closer to 20 minutes per pound. These times are a useful starting point, but always use a meat thermometer to ensure the turkey has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, for safety and doneness. Factors like oven calibration, altitude, and the turkey's initial temperature can affect cooking times, so monitor closely.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.